Hello guys, welcome once again. In the last video I have shown you how to pass values from one form to another. So for example, I enter username and password, and where username is admin, and when I click login is correct, and the username is passed to the second form. So username was admin, so my second form says welcome admin, which we have passed from the first form. Now in this video I will show you how to search data in the database and show it into this data grid view. So I want to search for name, for example, or surname or age in the database, and I want to filter all the names which I enter, and it should be filtered according to the name I enter in the text box. So let's see how I'm going to achieve that. First of all, I will take a text box and place it here, and this text box is for searching the data. So whatever I enter in this text box, that data should filter and show into this data grid view. Okay, but first of all, let's edit our program in order to achieve our search code. So if you know, in the video number 13 of this video series, I have shown you how to load data into the data grid view from the database. So the name of the video is Csharp tutorial 13, show database value in table or data grid view. So if you don't know this code, this is where I have shown you how to link your table with the database. Now, so in this code I'm going to I'm going to edit this code a little in order to search the data. So in this code where you have declared your data table db data set, I will just copy this whole data table and variable name also, and I will delete this from here, data table only. Just leave the variable name like that, and it will show some error. And I will go at the top and I will declare my data table variable the same name at the top of my code where my form declaration completes. So here when I declare this like this, it's a global variable so that I can use it in other method or function also. That's why I have declared at the top of the functions. So declared like that, and my load table now looks like this without the data table, so but it's not showing error now. Okay, now I will once again go to my form, and this is the form, the text box for searching, right? So I will double click this text box, and this leads us to the text box text change event. And in here we are going to write the code for searching the text. Okay, and in here write data view. I will name it as db, variable name, is equal to new data view bracket and bracket closed, and in here I will pass my data table variable which I have declared at the top. So I will copy this db dataset variable. This we have declared at the top as a global variable just a while ago, right? So I will just copy this variable, once again go to the form, and once again double click this text box, and in between this data view bracket I will pass that db dataset variable. Okay, in the next line I will just copy this db variable here, dot row filter is equal to, and just write this line. So this is string dot format, and in the bracket write name. This name is the database column name. So right now I want to search names in the database, and the column name for my database table for name is name itself, and the MySQL data is not case sensitive, so I can write the name like that also with capital N or small n, whatever you like you can write, because it's not case sensitive. So write name in the double quotes, name like, this is single quote percentage, and in the bracket 0 percentage, then single quote, and then double quote, comma, your text box name in which you want to search. So this is the text box, and this is its name, right? So this is that text box name dot text. So write these two lines, and in the next line write data grid view, which is the name of your data grid view. This one, this is the name of my data grid view, dot data source is equal to db, which is this data view variable name. So in the text box text change event we will write these 3 lines of code. Okay, and we have declared this dataset variable as a global variable. So write this and write the above code. Now we are going to run the program to and I will load the table. This I have shown you in the video number 13. Now I want to search according to the name, right? Because in the code I am searching according to the name. So I write something here, J. So all the name which are starting from J are filtered. Now I want to search specifically for John. So JOHN. So it searches for John. Once again I want to search Mark, M-A-R-K. We have 2 names which are Mark, so it has filtered both 2 names, right? Now for example I want to search according to the surname. What I will do is, in our code, just change this column name. So in our database my surname column name is this one, so I will change this in the code. So surname, just you want to just change this name according to your column name, right? And once again run the program, load the table, and this time I'm searching according to the name. So when I write B, it gives me all the surname which are starting from B. I want to search specifically for surname Bell, so 2 name surname with Bell, okay, or some other surname G these are the name which has G in surname which has G in them, and I just want to search this surname, and it searched for me. So like that you can search any column in the database with the help of your C# application. So I hope this video has helped you in your programming, and I hope you will learn something from this. And that's it for this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.